Hey there friends, Josh here. Today we're going to be continuing to cut the rudder pieces apart and deburr them. Fun times. I also have my son here helping me. He's deburring some of the rudder stiffeners. Actually, I think it's a little plate that holds the stiffeners together. And now I'm just looking through the parts trying to find where I put them. I think I'm looking for the rest of the stiffeners, which basically, oh, they're there. They come as long pieces of aluminum. They're mostly formed, but they have little tabs connecting them that you have to cut apart. And then you need to deburr, file it down, make it smooth. Before you cut them apart, though, it's smart to, label what the parts actually are, so when you have a part that you're looking at, you can know what part number it is. Otherwise, it's really confusing to have a piece of metal with no label on it, and then you have to look at the plans and kind of size it to what, look at the shape, figure out what part it is, or you could just write the part number right on it. If I could do this again, I would have just taken the bluing off right here and then written the part number on it. I don't know why I keep the bluing on for the tiny parts. Tiny parts, just take the bluing off. You're gonna be using these parts soon. You really only need to keep the bluing on the skins. All of these parts are internal, no one's going to see them, so if you accidentally scuff it or make a mistake, it doesn't really matter. But what you're looking at me is not knowing what I'm doing and figuring it out as I go along. And if you want to skip ahead to about the 6-minute 30-second mark, I actually realized that I could move the camera and give close-ups of what I'm actually doing. And I'm going to show you a close-up of the deburring wheel and how that works. See you at 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Hey, thanks for jumping ahead. Unless you really like to watch paint dry and parts be filed. Here, I grabbed the camera and I'm showing you how the deburring wheel works. That little Scotch-Brite wheel is basically a giant Scotch-Brite pad in wheel form. And as it spins, it basically sands down the edges and makes them nice and smooth. Takes all the burrs off. And it's a lot faster than using a file, like 20 times faster. So if you don't have one of these wheels and you're making aluminum parts, you should definitely just get one. It's worth it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.